Wow, we've been waiting for it for so long.
Come here. Snap and snap.
Can get ultra fine markers. One side we guarantee for 5 years. What? Boom! Just fingerprints, that's all.
Hi, my name is Daniel and I'm the young CEO of Smarty Dots, and today I'll be opening our new product called the Snap-Snap.
It's finally, wow, we've been waiting for it for so long. This is so cool.
Snap-Snap Smarty Dots.
Let's see it.
Snap-Snap.
Snap-Snap.
Smarty Dots registered. Go to smartydots.com. Okay, so like look at it.
Oh yeah, that's right. This is so transparent.
Look. And you can use it on both sides. Look. This. Pretend there's a clip. And other way. Look.
So yeah, it is reversible.
Yeah, so it can go on both sides. Now, Papa, can we try this out?
We have this.
Oh,
Let's see if we have something in there.
right here.
Yes.
Make it here. You go on the. Let's fit it from here. Snap and snap. Very easy to take out.
Okay, and the center is open, right? So you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah. Papa, do you have markers?
Black first?
Yeah, let's first do black. Let's see.
Can get ultra fine markers. And this way, they can work just like pens or pencils.
Now, Papa, do you have a red marker?
Yes, I do.
Now, let's see how it comes out. Now, all this one page can stand for about 5 years. And it should be about 10 years if you do it both sides. Now, look at that.
Yes, one side we guarantee for 5 years, and if you use two sides, so it's 5 plus 5 is what?
10, so about 10 years.
Imagine, one Smarty Dots right here, this Snap-Snap is good for 10 years. I mean, imagine how many lamination costs you can save right now on.
Now, if you have 4
No need to laminate ever again.
If you have 4 of these, it would be about 40 years you can have.
Exactly. This is I don't know why we do this. This is basically like a losing business. We never have to buy. You never have to buy another one ever again.
Yeah, and when we pack up, it takes us very little. So if you want 40 years, and we can just pack it up very easily, and there you go, 40 years. Poof, magic.
Poof.
Magic. Now, let's show how this erases very easily. Papa, I'm going to trade you this for an eraser.
Okay.
Thank you. Now, look. One swipe.
One swipe. Take it off again. Unsnap it and show us.
Let's do
And show us that it's absolutely clear with one swipe.
Okay, let's unsnap it.
And put it against the light. Boom! Just fingerprints, that's all.
I want to uncover a secret. We have been working on a Snap-Snap song.
Are you sure we want to do this? We haven't yet rehearsed it.
I know we haven't yet researched it, but we're thinking of a draft.
Ah, you're gonna open some secret cards.
Yeah, so
Okay. Alright, well, you guys are gonna be the first one to hear something. Okay, we've been working on it for a while.
We just don't have music.
Okay. Alright, so it's a jingle for Snap-Snap. Well, then you know what? Might as well take this opportunity to invite our loyal customers who are using Smarty Dots, like the ones that are using our music, looking for help to create our jingle. Yes, make some music and we'll and record the Snap-Snap jingle. Well, okay, we'll try it. Well, you still need to read it, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what you guys think. Well, tell us. Maybe there are some adjustments that we need to be done.
Can use one of your snaps.
All right, let me see if I can help you with this.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Learning mathematics. Snap, snap. Physics and mechanics. Snap, snap. numbers and geography, music and topography, awesome way of learning, Snap-Snap. I have a recording on my phone, so that's why I know it.
Okay, so you've been rehearsing.
Yeah, I have it.
Okay.
Okay, so
Thank you very much. Well, guys, check out Smarty Dots FlexiBoard on Amazon, on Etsy, smartydots.com, Facebook, Instagram,
Well, not any.
or just call us.
Or just call us. We'll send you.
That's right.